Hey, today I'm going to share with you how to make this lovely storage box from an old cardboard box. You can use it to decorate your home and just store the items that really don't have a space for them. So let's just start with it. We're going to need an actual cardboard piece for this little craft, as well as a paper sheet. I'm using purple cardboard box, and then we're going to use an old sweater with a ruler, a pencil, and a hot glue gun with scissors, retractable blade knife, glue, leather piece that's 1 by 6 inches, and a rope that's 1/5 of an inch thick. So we're going to start with the sweater. As you can see, it's quite long, and we're going to just cut under the sleeves so we create this sort of rectangular shape, and then we're going to use it to cover the inside and the outside of our cardboard box. This is how we create this beautiful looking storage box. We want to make sure that the lines on the sweater line up with the edges so that it really suits the look of the box and it doesn't look like it's just something that's been thrown onto it. We're going to secure the bottom of the sweater to the bottom of the cardboard box, and I'm using hot glue gun to do that. You want to let it dry so it really secures to it and doesn't get off in case you're using it around the house. Then we're going to secure the edges just like that so that they don't go loose, and then our cardboard box doesn't fall apart with everything in it. So that's just that. Then we want to make sure that we secure the sweater to the inside of the cardboard box and do it nicely. We're going to simply apply hot glue to the very edges of the box and then secure the sweater. Make sure that the lines align to the edge so it looks natural and just in the right spot. And we're going to actually use a ruler to just really secure it and create the right edge and make sure that the sweater just applies to the box beautifully. And then we're going to follow the next step. I'm going to just measure out my box. Our box is 8 by 8 inches, but yours might be different. This is important because we're going to create a bottom for the storage box. All you want to do is take that cardboard piece and measure out the exact measurements on it, and you want to draw the lines and then cut out the square or rectangular. It doesn't matter, it's all based on your box. This is why it's important to take exact measurements. And then we're going to actually cut out a piece of paper with the exact measurements as this cardboard, because we're going to cover it so it looks a little nicer in the inside of our storage box. I'm just going to use glue to apply it, but you can also use double-sided tape. Whatever you prefer, it will do the job. As you can see, the bottom looks a little nicer. It brings new color into the combination and makes it look just that extra more, like it was store-bought. Anyway, we put it in, and here we go. Our storage box is almost done. All we need to do is get our rope. We want to create handles. I'm going to just bend it in a half and cut it. We want to make sure that our handles are exactly the same size. Then we're going to take our piece of leather and just apply it to the edges of the rope. This is just to make sure that we can see where our handles begin, and they act as little nice decorations for the whole item. We want to make sure we secure it to the rope with hot glue. Apply as much of it as you can. Don't be stingy here, and you want to just secure it onto it. And then finally, we're going to secure our handles onto the storage box. We're going to use hot glue gun to do that. You can choose the shape You want your rope to form. As you can see, I am going for a circle, and that's it. Our storage box is really done. Once you let everything dry, you can use it to store anything you want, whether it's toys, whether it's towels, or just small things. It's perfect, it looks beautiful at home, and it's relatively easy to make. For more crafts like this, please like and subscribe to this channel and go to craftyhacks.com for more tutorials.